Hello crafty family, and welcome to another video by She's So Crafty. It's shopping Sunday and we are headed to the Dollar Tree and Family Dollar to see what's new on the shelves. Now I'm always happy to share all of the finds with you guys so you know what to look out for on your next shopping trip. So let's dive in. Now there were so many random finds today at the Dollar Tree, and a set of these were found. These are ceramic labels that you put on mugs for dad. I thought these were cute in a Father's Day theme, especially if the kids want to make a customized mug for dad. I thought these were such a great and cute idea. Another random find, these trouser socks. Now these are in the Peds name brand. There are 6 pairs in this pack, you guys. I've never seen a pack this large for only $1.25. Now they did have these all in black, and then they had another pack here that kind of like a, an aerated woven type of design in like a nude color. So be on the lookout for these. Great deal. I've been looking for this peppermint and sage dishwashing liquid forever, and I found one, just a random one sitting next to the lotion. Only one in my store, you guys. Now, if you guys have not seen these large storage containers, you don't need to walk. You need to run to the Dollar Tree to get these. I'm so surprised that these are only $1.25. They are huge, whether you want to store toys, trinkets, whatever. They are a very large size. Another item that I saw in health and beauty are these lotion sets by Be Pure. They seem to be very popular with shoppers right now, and my Dollar Tree just got these in stock for $1.25. And check these out. These are super coffee drinks. The first time I've ever seen these. So I was checking out the label. This looks like a really nice quality drink. It is a nice name brand. I definitely had to do some research to see what these were all about. And I took a look on Amazon, and you guys, they have these for a 12 pack for $36. That makes these $3 a piece. So it's definitely a better deal when you go to the Dollar Tree and get them for $1.25. Another item that they had in the food section are these seasonings. This Tony Cachera's Creole seasoning is one of my staples. So definitely at a $1.25 price point, it's definitely a good deal to stop at the Dollar Tree and get it first before heading to your retail store. Now I hopped over to the plus section, and this is the first time I've seen these super large canvases. So these are the large ones, 16 by 20. Only $3 a piece. Now, if you want a smaller size, but you still want it fairly large at 11 by 14, they have these 2 packs for $5, and you can get 2 11 by 14 canvases in that pack. Another great deal in the plus section are these name brand bamboo utensil sets. So this comes with 5 utensils and the bamboo container, you guys. $5, cheaper than buying them individually at the Dollar Tree at $1.25. So now we're going to hop over to Family Dollar, and for you who don't know, Dollar Tree owns the Family Dollar, so you're going to see a lot of the same things at different prices and possibly the same price. So I'm starting off in the craft section. They have these wood cutout animals. They're only $1 compared to Dollar Tree's $1.25. Now these pieces are $1.25. These are the solid wood block pieces in circle and like a tag style, really thick, great for crafting. Here's another one that is $1.25 at the Family Dollar. They do have these. These are plaque style signs, you guys. So I saw this in a tag style. I have one here that has like an arched top sign. And then in the back, they have an oval sign. So they had 3 different styles here for $1.25. Another $1.25 items that they had at the Family Dollar was this frame piece. We've seen this at the Dollar Tree for $1.25, but get it at Family Dollar in case you can't find it, along with these large wood cutouts of a star shape and a flower shape. So there's always an alternative in case you can't find something at the Dollar Tree. Now look at these little characters here. They have these as well at the Dollar Tree in little characters for $1.25. And if you can't find the wood crates at the Dollar Tree, check your Family Dollar. They have them there in an assortment for also $1.25. Now these lighted pieces that have the 2 layers are really fun. I saw a butterfly and a turtle at my Family Dollar. They're also $1.25. And look at these chalk tags. They have these at the Dollar Tree, but look, they're only $1 at the Family Dollar in the same 6-pack. And I love this square blackboard. Great for crafting for $1, you guys. Now, another great item they had was this galvanized heart piece. It has a wood piece in the center. The metal is always speaking high quality to me. These were only $1 at Family Dollar. They also have this in a flower shape as well, so you can choose this dual layer piece as well. That was also $1. And if you love the galvanized metal woodwork or galvanized metal words, they did have those at the Family Dollar. They had them in 3 different styles. They had home, they had blessed, and they did have hello, and they do have these year round, so you could check them out at the Family Dollar for the $1 cost. Now here's some galvanized items as well. These are 3 packs of flowers, and I'm sure they had other shapes, but they were just sold out. Only $1 at the Family Dollar. And these 6-pack of foam brushes are $1.25 at the Dollar Tree, but only $1 at Family Dollar, so you definitely want to check that out. And of course, they have the assortment of all of the little trinkets and things you would need for your crafting, such as these packs of glitter designs that you want. They have sheets of gems, and they have these little storage containers. All of these things we usually see at the Dollar Tree. They're only $1 at Family Dollar. And if you're looking for these wood cut words, you can get them for $1 at Family Dollar. They have this home sign here, and they also have one that says peace. So definitely check that out. And here's another one of those blackboard signs, and this time it's in a hexagon at a different store. Now, if you love to stencil, check out the $1 stencils at Family Dollar. We've seen these at Dollar Tree as well. And this one here is all of the numeric words. So if you want to put words on your crafts, you can grab that stencil. They have this one too. This one's fun. This is like travel, and it has Paris and things like that. So that's really a lot of fun. And then this other one here has a lot of inspirational type quotes that you could stencil on different crafts and projects. All of these are $1, so you'll be able to grab all of them up and save $0.25 a piece. Now, we've seen all of these tile at the Dollar Tree, but guess what? They're only $1 at Family Dollar. So definitely stop at Family Dollar first if you want these peel and stick tiles. You can get them for only $1. They have the same variety as the Dollar Tree, and sometimes they may even have some that you can't find at your local Dollar Tree. So don't forget, stop by your Family Dollar to get these same tiles, only $1. These are so fun to craft and decorate with. And these party utensils are definitely recognizable. Some of the staples that they have at the Dollar Tree. But look, you see that they're only $1 at Family Dollar. Most of their party items are $1 at Family Dollar, and they are the same things that the Dollar Tree does sell, such as the clear plasticware and the silver plasticware. I love these silver trim plates that they have. Those are also $1 in their multi-packs. And then the large serving and punch bowls are also $1 at the Family Dollar. Now, if you're looking for color cups and stuff for your party, look, all of their color party wear was somehow reduced to 50 and 25 cents at my store. It normally sells for only $1, but if you're getting it at this discount, it's definitely a great buy. And if you like the licensed character party items, they had those on clearance for 75 cents, like Paw Patrol, LOL Girls, Spider-Man, and Mickey Mouse. Any kind of theme that you're looking for party wear, be sure to check out your Family Dollar this week, because I saw these tags just go up. So that means you may still be able to get your hands on some of these party banners, plates, tablecloths, napkins, and anything else that is licensed in the party section. Definitely a good deal for 75 cents. Now, I found some other items that were more than $1, like similar to what Dollar Tree has as their plus section, but Family Dollar had some $5 items such as these little cute wood bird houses. Now these are all $5 and they are so adorable, great to paint, customize, even use as bird houses if you wanted to. Really a great deal. Some other items in their $5 section, these trays, we've seen these at Dollar Tree before in their plus section. You can get them at the Family Dollar for the same price point of $5 if you can't find them at your Dollar Tree or you don't have a plus section. They also have these wood and MDF cutout words. I know they had blessed, and I did find the home in my stores. These are only $3. This is also a really nice piece. This galvanized square with a wood trim looks so high end. It's a really generous size, and for only $3, definitely a great deal. And I love this plank style square here. This is really nice. It's already ready to go to craft, so you don't have to paint or stain it if you don't want to. This is also one that was only $3. Now these large plaques are some of my favorites. Look at the size. So it looks like the cutout of a tag. These are really thick, wood layered over MDF. And look, it has the countersunk hardware in the back to hang it, already mounted. So if you wanted to use this as a hanging or a tray, you definitely could. And I did see two different styles of this same type of wall sign or tray. So definitely check this out. Now look at this large tray. This is much larger than the tray I showed you before. Oh my goodness, this is a very, very large size to put all kinds of things on there. Solid wood. This one also is only $5. And these are similar to what they sell at the Dollar Tree Plus section. It may look familiar. These also have the rope handles on the side, which I love. These also are $5. Now, if you like wood plank signs that are large and in a round shape, check out your Family Dollar. This is such a good quality item for only $5. You definitely don't want to pass this up. If you don't want the round one, they also have it in a large square. So they did have two to choose from. These are very generous in size and they're only $5 each. Now, these cabbage roses are some of my favorite flowers that I find at Family Dollar. You guys, do not sleep on the florals at Family Dollar. These look amazing. They are very highly comparable to what you would find at Hobby Lobby. And this bunch of them is only $3. I have crafted with these so many times, and look, they look so gorgeous in crafts. So you definitely want to grab some of those. Now, they did have some different colors of hydrangea bunches, I believe. These are so gorgeous with the blues and the purples, and I did find the cabbage rose style in an ivory too, so they did have multiple colors available. Now in the outdoor section, look at this solar glass tabletop lantern. I was surprised at how heavy this was and the quality of it, but it did have a removable top with an on-off switch. This is a gorgeous piece, and at only $3, it's definitely a great deal. Another item in the outdoor section that they have are these solar lights as well. They may look familiar because they do sell these in Dollar Tree Plus for $5, but you can get them at the same price at Family Dollar. Now these garden pieces really caught my eye. They look like a cement style, but these are hollow on the inside, but they are good quality. So these are $5. This is the shape of a little puppy. I think it's so adorable. Now, if you didn't want a puppy, they did have one more in this same cement style, and it is an elephant. I love, he's just sitting on his bottom and he has his trunk up in the air. I thought that was so cute. These are only $5, and for the quality and design, they do look great. But if you wanted something more solid, look at these little frogs in their little yoga poses. Now these are solid pieces. They're very, very heavy, and they have a stone-like finish on the outside. Now these are also $5 in the garden section. Now, we've seen these stools in the plus section at Dollar Tree, but look at this. They're $7 at Family Dollar. So you can get them for $5 at Dollar Tree. So I would recommend you get those at Dollar Tree. Now, around the corner, I saw a clearance section, and this is all of the spring items that came out this year. Everything was marked down 50 to 75% in the spring section. So like I always say, don't look at it for what it is. Look at it for what it could be. I can see so many possibilities expertise in repurposing these pieces by just using a putty knife to scrape off some of the wording or some of the things adhered to it and repainting it. Such a great idea. And these are larger pieces. Now, I'm sure that these will also be reduced further, but if you want to get the best selection, you should shop now, because ranging from $1.50 to up to $3, these are a great steal right now at their reduced price. Now, this is one of my favorite pieces. I love it because I flipped it over and look, you could turn this into a tray and it's 50% off. So you can grab that. They have metal signs that you could repurpose, and they have different colors of that square design. Some of them are also 75% off. So definitely check these out. Here's another reduced item. These are little bottles. You know, the design on these will come off with acetone, but I thought these were so gorgeous to repurpose as well, and they're only $1.50. Now, I went into the higher end section of Family Dollar, if you can call it, but look, this big round metal trimmed mirror was only $15. And this one with the overlay, so gorgeous. They had them in gold and black. $15. You're not going to find this at Hobby Lobby or any other home decor store. I think that's such a great deal. And look at these, the laundry hampers. I love the style of these, so farmhouse. I love it. These were only $15 as well. They are so nice. Now, if you are still on the hunt for patriotic things that is coming up in a month, oh my goodness, they have this MDF United States sign for only $3. This is a multi-piece decor piece. This says "Let Freedom Ring." I love the layers in this, so gorgeous. This piece is only $5 as well, and all of the detail in these is so nice. Now, this freedom sign too with the raised lettering, this one is only $3. So I think Family Dollar is really stepping up their game in their variety of all of their decor for the seasons. Now, if you're looking for a flannel backed tablecloth, you can get this large one for only $5. And for kitchen sets such as pot holders, oven mitts, and you get 2 dish towels with this, oh my goodness, you get this whole set all together in blue or in red. You could definitely check whichever one you want. These sets are always a deal because they are bundled together. Now, more Americana. Oh my goodness. So these America signs that actually have 3 different heights can be repurposed or used as is. These are only $5 and they are a significant height. Some of these pieces are so large and they are great for home decor. Now, these lanterns here are really fun. They are solid metal. So inside they have a battery operated LED type candle. So you could definitely switch those on and off as needed. And I saw them in 2 color varieties. Now, here's another cute sign. They had this little welcome sign with little stars on the little stakes, and then they have this one with round ring with stars on it as well that are really cute for patriotic decor. Now, if you missed this flag design at the Dollar Tree Plus section, you could get it at Family Dollar at the same price point at $5, so check it out. Now, these are nice too. If you're looking for outdoor yard stakes, these little signs here are 3 feet tall, you guys. I was so surprised on how tall these were. They look like fireworks, really fun. I love the little dangling stars at the end. Really cute accent for your yard to celebrate the patriotic holiday. And look at these stars. So these are the cutout stars, and they have the little dangling stars in the middle with beads. So much care and detail is given into these new designs. I am really excited with all of the new things, and they had a couple of different color varieties for these stars. Now, they had solid metal stars as well. Now, like I said, if you don't want to use them for patriotic, you could definitely keep them on hand for Christmas. It's all up to you, and it's always so fun to repurpose items. Now, if you missed my shopping video last week with lots of new arrivals at the Dollar Tree, check it out now by clicking the link in the upper right hand corner of this video, or click the link provided in the description box below. Now, I do hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me on this shopping trip today, and if you want to see what I create with my Dollar Tree supplies, my DIY videos will be on Tuesdays and Fridays, so set your alarm so you don't miss it. Now listen, if you love shopping at Dollar Tree as much as I do, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment letting me know your most exciting find at Dollar Tree this week. Make sure you don't miss a video by subscribing and hit that bell to be notified when we go live. It doesn't cost a thing. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all next time.